Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at how to delay the delivery of an email on Outlook. This feature allows you to compose an email and then schedule it to be sent later. This is a great tool to have, especially for sending reminders and emailing under specific times. What we're going to do is we're going to compose an email. As you can see, I've already written out an example here. Then we are going to include the address of the person we are sending it to. Now, once you've composed the email and included the address of the person you're sending it to, you're going to go on to click the send button. But right before doing that, there's a button right next to it that says send message. It's an arrow facing downwards. You're going to click on that arrow and you're going to click on the send later button. It will now give you the option to select a time and date for when you want the email to be sent. Select the time and date according to when you want the email to be sent. So that's what we're going to go do now. So we're going to keep the year and the month same. We're going to change this to the 30th. You also have the option of pressing the calendar and viewing what weekday and everything. And then I'm going to change the time to 4 o'clock sharp. Now we're going to press send. So once you've sent it, the email will be saved into the drafts folder where it will stay until the send date. Okay, so once you've sent the email, as I said earlier, it's been saved into the drafts folder. The email will say when the message is scheduled to be sent, and you also have the option of canceling the sending, which you can also do. I hope this video was somewhat helpful, and thank you for watching.